Hi, Dan from Eviatrix here. I recently installed the FitcamX Dashcam, and what I like about it is it fits seamlessly into the car. It looks like a factory installation, and no one can tell that it's not. It's very easily installed. There's lots of installation videos, including one from the Ioniq guy. You can check out his channel for that. And I liked it a lot, but the one thing that I noticed was all the glare in the windshield that comes off. It reflects off the dash and into the windshield. So I needed to find a way to do that. Now, with my my action cameras that I put in the windshield, I have circular polarizer filters that work like polarized sunglasses and reduce the glare on the dash. But the FitcamX doesn't really have any way to do that. So I was thinking, well, maybe I can get some polarizing film from Amazon, which is available. But I decided not to try that just because I couldn't figure out a way to get it on there and take it off easily. Because at night, you don't want it on there. It actually cuts light. I'll show you what it looks like with my normal windshield camera, which is a DJI Action Cam. I actually have this polarizer filter, which allows me to rotate that filter around and cut the glare. So I'll show you what that looks like. As I roll the filter through, you'll see that the dashboard reflection comes and goes. You can actually see the reflection on the dashboard, but the same is true of the window. As the dash comes up, you can see this line right about here on here, and then as I roll it out, that goes away. So that's how it works with a circular filter. Unfortunately, it does not work with the FitcamX, which is right there. So you can actually see in this picture, you can see the dashboard line right there. But that wasn't a good solution. So what did I come up with? The Dashmat. Now I have it's a velour looking dash mat that fits right over the dash, and it cuts that glare down quite a bit. So it ends up being a pretty good solution. I'll show you what that looks like here. And then for the actual install, I need to use Velcro strips, which I'll put on there later on. But at least for now, you can see what it looks like. I think it's a great solution. Essentially, I'm going to throw this up here. It's got cutouts for my heads-up display. It just goes up here like this. It's all cut out. And now the dash cam itself is going to lose that glare. In fact, you can see it right here again. You probably could see it in that camera, but let's go back here, and I'm gonna leave it in place. Then I'm gonna pull it out, and you can see, look right about here, you'll see that the dash comes back. So that's what I'm after. I'm after that cut down thing right there. And hopefully you'll see that. That should even improve the video from my windshield camera when I'm doing my videos. And it's not really that hard to put up there, but for some reason it seems a little hard right this second. Okay, there's cutouts here for my heads-up display. There's cutouts here for my heads-up display. There's cutouts here for both the sensor and the charging light. This sensor right here is what tells the dash and the mirror that it's night. So the mirror can auto dim and the dashboard can auto dim as well, although I keep it in the night thing. I'm sorry, this cutout here is for the airbag. So that comes up when the airbag blows out, and that's how all that works. And you basically use Velcro strips to hold that down, and it's all pre-molded. So that's the whole reason we're putting it in. I've already taken it on a trip in place like it is now, not actually mounted, and it works really well. So once more, I'm going to pull it out, and in fact, I'm going to twist this guy around so he's out of He's out of, okay, let's pull this out of here. Immediately you see that glare come up. Immediately you can see my hand here. Well, you probably can't, but anyway, you can definitely see dashboard glare. So that's what we're after. Okay, we're gonna mount this up now. And we're gonna cut a bunch of these strips. And we're gonna put them all around the dashboard where we think we're gonna need some pressure on the mat. We kind of have these things in place. All right, let's see if we can get this thing up there and started. Oh, it's gonna be a problem because they're gonna kind of stick now. All right, so let's go start right here at this side and around the car. See if we can get this, you know, like start it right here. Maybe there. I kind of positioned that one so I could get both of these pieces right here. Get this up here, kind of in place here. Now, it's going to be hard work because these things are This is an important area because we want to keep that thing safe. Gonna probably need to get something to push that down with right there. Looks pretty good right there on that side. A little tighter right here. All right, let's see if we can get this thing squared away over here, and we're gonna need to tear this up a little bit. So I think the installation looks, I'm pretty happy with it. You know, I'm never a big fan of these, but man, it cuts down the glare like you wouldn't believe. Another benefit of having this dash mat here is that it will cut down on the heat. The heat is really killer, and my window cameras often fail just due to the heat. So there you go. It's all ready to install. You can see a little bit of glare right there off of the vents that come out of for the defroster. But overall, I think it's fantastic.